everybody, this is Gerryl Krilic, Frisco Fit City Ambassador, welcoming you to this edition of the Get Moving Minute, and I'm going to wrap up mindset this week. I wanted to just wrap up by saying, the way that we think about our journey and about ourselves really is the foundation for developing healthy behaviors that are going to become part of a healthy lifestyle long term. So it's one of the things that you should focus on, building a helpful mindset so that you can set a strong foundation for when things are not going well. And, when they're going well, everything's great. But when they're not, it really is in these moments that having a helpful mindset, the way that we talk to ourselves, the self-compassion that we feel for ourselves, the way that we see ourselves today and in this moment, this is what's going to help us push through and keep going. So as health coaches, we always want to make sure that our clients have the tools that they need to help fuel them, help them reach their goals. And if and when they're having a hard time staying committed to their goals and they're not feeling so motivated and or engaged, these are the times when we want to pull out our mindset tools and really help them to re-engage and help them find the motivation that they need. And the biggest part of that is really just being aware of your thoughts throughout the day and how often you have negative thoughts. And one of the little tools that we often start off with our clients is just, maybe pick one day out of the week and say, I'm going to just really focus in on being aware of how often throughout the day do I have a negative thought. And when I do have a negative thought, can I immediately practice replacing it with 3 positive thoughts and see how that impacts your actions and behaviors and choices throughout the day. That's just one little tool. I'll share a few others here in the podcast notes, and hopefully those will be helpful. You can learn more about that on my website at friscofitcity.com. I'm sure to have a few blog posts that have to do with mindset as well. This is Gerryl Krilic, Frisco Fit City Ambassador, reminding you to get up, get out, get moving each and every day, making a great day.